Hi guys, this is Peter Sohm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2020 Sea Ray 230 SPX outboard. Let's take a quick look. First thing we're going to notice that this boat actually has the full hull color upgrade. So we have the black hull with the silver graphic. Another thing we're going to notice too is the trailer on this galvanized trailer. That is an option on the SPXs, or the 23. The 19 and 21, that is a standard feature. On the board, you can see, obviously we have our swim ladder there. This boat is equipped with a Mercury 200 outboard. And we're also going to see the ski pylon right there. On the transom back here, we have the pad obviously laying out like this, so you can lay out and get some sun that way, but if not, you can kind of change it up a little bit, give you a nice little lounger back there. Another cool thing about this whole area back here is, again, because it is the outboard boat, we're not utilizing the engine compartment the same, so we just have a lot of storage here. Your cockpit table and bow table will be stored there with both their arms. And obviously access to the bilge area. This is the dune colored interior with the brown infinity woven flooring. This boat does have the stainless steel package, I believe, because we're going to have the stainless steel grab handles, the cup holders, all the locks and latches. Obviously, again, just more storage down there. Your courtesy lights. Nice spot for your battery on-off switch there. Nice big sports tower with bimming, so this will open up, give you some nice coverage there from the sun. This is Sea Ray's smallest boat with a head compartment. So you are getting the head in there. At the helm, obviously, we do have our captain's chair with thigh-high bolsters. Same thing on the companion side. You do get a bolster as well, which is a nice little difference of seating. But at the actual helm itself, we have our Simrad display, our Fusion stereo remote, and all of our switching, obviously gauges, 12 volts over there as well. Up in the bows, same kind of seating in the SPX lines. You know, tons of storage up there in the front again. Spots for your anchors and lines, and etc. All right, guys. Again, this is Peter Sohm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. If you have any questions about this or any of the boat that we have, feel free to come in or visit us online. Thank you.